And from Home Acre Designs, I've got something really awesome here. This is a sponge holder. So I don't know if you're like me, I always lose the sponge in the sink with the with the dishes and things like that. So I want to thank Thrasio for sending this out for free and sponsoring this video for this Home Acre Design sponge holder. What's great about this is it's a sponge holder, which means it can dry out and not get gross and mildewy and germy and all that. So anyway, we have sponges like this, and boom, check that out. It'll hold the sponge and then dry out. It won't stay wet even if you do leave it in the corner. Even holds sponges like this. You can see this is already wet. Probably want to do this first at least. Squeeze it out, then it can air dry, and it's off the ground, as you can see. So it's gonna dry, and if there is any extra, then it will drop inside of there, drip inside of there. So anyway, this is great. This is gonna be a great sponge holder. Holds these super big ones that are thick like this. Okay, so that's gonna work great, but also holds magic erasers as well. This one's beat up a little bit, but it'll hold that size as well. And then every now and then you can just dump it out, clean out the inside. Very easy to do. So this is gonna be great. From Home Acre Designs, this is the sponge holder. I can highly recommend this. You should for sure check this out.